In this video, I will show you how to update games on Steam. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and update games on Steam, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. I'll be doing this today on the Steam app, but the steps are the same if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Steam. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is come across to your games library. So if you come up to the top, click onto library, and you're going to see all your games installed on Steam. To go ahead and check any updates available for any games, all you need to do is come and click onto the game that you want to check for. So for example, you can see I've got Marvel Rivals. There's currently an update available. If there's no update available, it's just going to say play. And of course, if the game's not installed, then it's going to say install instead. But for each game that there is an update available for example, Marvel Rivals, the button is going to say update. And you can also check this by right clicking onto each game. So for example, this one here, if we right click onto this, you can see it just says play, which means there's no update available. But again, if we click onto Marvel Rivals, if we right click on this menu, you're going to see the update button. To go ahead and update the game, all you need to do is simply click the update button. As you can see, it's going to start downloading and installing the update for that particular game. And you can see the progress on the left hand side. You can see the current download speed and the percent of the update. So you just need to wait for that to finish updating. And of course, once it's finished, the button here is going to change to the green play button. So that is how to update games on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.